Is the newt token a utility token, a governance token, or both? And what exactly is the difference between these two types of crypto assets? Faced with Monocle, let's break it down. What's the deal with newt? The newt token is designed to be both a utility and a governance token for the Newton protocol. It's the native token that powers the entire ecosystem, and its dual nature makes it an integral part of the network's functionality and its decentralized structure. On the utility side, newt is used for transaction fees. Think of it like gas on Ethereum. Every on-chain action and automation task on the Newton protocol requires a fee paid in newt. Staking. Users can stake their newt to act as validators or delegate to validators, which helps to secure the network and its verifiable automation layer. In return for securing the network, stackers earn rewards. Collateral. Operators who run AI agents on the protocol's registry must stake newt as collateral. This security deposit creates an economic incentive for them to behave honestly, as malicious or faulty actions can result in their staked tokens being slashed or confiscated. On the governance side, newt gives its holders the power to participate in the project's decision-making process. Holders can vote on proposals. This includes decisions about protocol upgrades, changes to fee structures, and how treasury funds are allocated. Shape the future of the protocol. By participating in governance, newt holders are directly involved in the evolution and decentralization of the Newton protocol. Utility versus governance, the key difference. So, what's the fundamental difference between these two token types? Think of a utility token as a product or service voucher. Its primary purpose is to grant you access to a specific function or feature within an ecosystem. For example, you use it to pay for a service, access a platform, or get a discount. Its value is derived from its usefulness within the project. A governance token, on the other hand, is like a share in a company. Holding it gives you a say in how the project is run. Its value comes from the voting power and influence it grants you over the protocol's future direction. In short, a utility token is about doing something within the network, while a governance token is about deciding something about the network. The newt token combines both of these roles, making it a crucial component for both the operation and the democratic governance of the Newton protocol. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.